guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today I am going to show you another one pot wonder. This is absolutely delicious. This is a kielbasa and pepper dish, if you want to call it. It's got kielbasa in it. I've got red and green peppers and yellow peppers, and I've got onions. Now I like sausage and peppers fried together. I always like the breakfast sausage and peppers fried together as well. I don't know what it is about the combination, but it's absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. In my little pan here, I've got some olive oil coming to temperature. Let's move down. All right. Get that off the back of the stove there for a minute. Look at this. I have got the lighting there. I've got some regular white onions, yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, and a little bit of garlic in the middle there, as you can see. And then I'm also going to use this kielbasa here that I got. This is delicious. I like to eat this stuff just like this without even cooking it. It's just that good. Now, this has already got nice and heated, so I don't really need to heat that any further. Just a little bit of olive oil in there. If you want to throw a little bit of butter in there too for a little bit of extra goodness, that's perfectly fine. Or if you just want to keep it nice and healthy and just do the olive oil, that's perfectly fine as well. I've already washed and cut these, as you can see, and I like them in nice chunks, big chunks there, because I like a little bit of bite to it. And we're just going to kind of fry these up together. We're going to do the peppers first for just a minute. Oh, you can smell the garlic and onions and peppers as soon as they hit the pan. And you know when it's that beautiful in color that it's going to be absolutely delicious. Let's go up a little bit. I'm just going to kind of stir fry this. I don't like to cook mine to where the vegetables are soggy. I like my vegetables to still be a little crisp, so we're just going to stir fry this just for just a minute or two before we add the sausage. And now, go ahead and throw your kielbasa in there. And just give it a toss. I probably should have used a bigger pot, but a bigger pan. I like my little emerald lagasse pan. And then just kind of give it a stir. I've got my heat on medium-high heat. I'm just going to let this kind of brown up and cook until my vegetables get to the consistency that I like. The sausage is already cooked. Like I said, I like to eat that uncooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking that. It's just kind of mainly heating it through. So just go ahead and give it a stir, and then just kind of let it go for just a couple minutes and stir it occasionally. Alright, I want you to look how absolutely beautiful these are. And these are cooked. I don't want them to cook any longer than that. I don't want my vegetables to get soft. You notice I didn't put any regular salt in. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with just a little tiny bit of garlic salt. You know how my little tiny bits are. I'm going to give it another stir. I've already turned it off. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Now, if you want to serve this up with some rice, because you've already got your vegetables there, or some buttered noodles, whatever you want to do, it would be absolutely perfect. Let me get out the light there so you can see how lovely it is. I have to get ready to take my daughter to a football game, and we really have to leave out the door here in about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste for you. Number one, because I love it, and number two, that's what I always do. Hey guys, while this cools, you know, you can interchange this type of sausage, you can use the beef sausage, the kielbasa, any turkey, any type that you want to use. If you want to make it healthier, you could use turkey. Ha. Ha ha. Mmm. I love this. Always loved sausage and pepper combination. I hope you give this recipe a try really soon. And I appreciate you watching. You know, I love you guys all so very much. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share all my videos. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will know every time I upload one of my delicious recipes. Make sure you're checking out my Life with Sandy vlogs that are also on this channel. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I just want to get a little bit of everything, like the peppers, and let's get a red pepper over here somewhere.